everybody. Happy New Year. It has been a little bit since I have done a video, and I just wanted to come on here real quick and share a few things with you. Goodness, besides Christmas and New Year and me getting sick and then it turning into, I don't know, a sinus infection and then bronchitis. It's been very crazy. So, but what I did want to come on here and share with you is something that I have been kind of going through over the last couple years, I guess. I guess at this point it's, 3 years. But anyway, I wanted to kind of share with you progress. I don't know, just some of the things that the steps I've been going. But anyway, so in 2019, I had a total hysterectomy, and from that point, the doctor, had mentioned hormone replacement, and at the time I just said, you know what, let me just see what can be done, how I can make it, without having to do hormone replacement. Anyway, I don't know why I thought I could, but have my water here. So fast forward to, I guess, over the last year or so, I've just been, experiencing a lot of different, symptoms that I never really thought were symptoms of menopause. I don't know, I guess I did, but I guess I just never put two and two together like, oh, maybe I do need some hormone replacement. Anyway, some of the things I've been experiencing, super dry skin, hair loss, weight gain, lower libido, well, no libido, moodiness, crankiness, tired. Those are some of the main things I've been experiencing. So I had a couple of friends who had mentioned hormone replacement in the form of pellets. And so I, looked into it a little bit, and I, figured, what, it's not going to hurt for me to go talk to somebody. So I went to a doctor's office here in town where I live, and got my blood work done. And basically, I had no estrogen and no testosterone, and my progesterone is very, very low. So, all of that to say, I qualified for hormone replacement, and it's, I guess, the bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. So it was, excuse me, it was about a month ago. Actually, it was 5 weeks ago yesterday that I got the pellets put in, and it was a very simple procedure. They just, they deadened, like in my upper butt cheek, they deadened a little area. They made a little incision about like this, and the pellets, it was 2 pellets, 1 estrogen, 1 testosterone, and it was about the size of a Tic Tac, maybe a little bit smaller, and they inserted that and put a butterfly, what do you call it, a butterfly stitch. And yeah, so it has been 4 weeks. Now, they said I could maybe start noticing some changes after 2 weeks, but I didn't. So now it's been 5 weeks, and I want to say I'm not really noticing anything yet either, but I don't know if it's because I haven't been feeling good And so my body's just kind of, anyway. But hopefully, so initially I did not start on the progesterone. Since I had the total hysterectomy, they told me I didn't have to take the progesterone with the estrogen, but that it would benefit me. And at first I didn't start on it, but since then I decided to go ahead and start on it, and I took my first dose last night. So anyway, today I have to go for some blood work just so they can kind of see where my levels have come to after 4 weeks. And so I just wanted to come on here real quick and do a short little video just to kind of tell you where I am. And if if you've ever had this done, let me know in the comments below, like, how long did it take before you started noticing any changes, any, differences, any benefits from the hormone replacement therapy? Let me know in the comments below, and I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here so that I can go get that blood work done. And once the blood work is done and I get the results back, they told me they were gonna call me and just kind of let me know, where things are. And I'm sure they start me off on a lower dose, to begin with. So I guess we'll see if they need to increase it. And the pellets last 3 to 4 months. I think what they said was if you have a slower metabolism, they could last a little longer than if you have a faster metabolism, you're going to burn it off faster. Well, lucky me, I have a slow metabolism. But so yeah, I guess, at my next, which I guess is in 2 months, I could be ready to get another set. But hopefully they will be able to adjust or whatever. But hopefully I'll start noticing a difference, because so far I haven't really noticed a difference, and I'm kind of bummed about it. But that's just kind of how it goes with me. It's usually what's supposed to happen with most people doesn't happen with me. Like, the opposite happens. It never fails. But anyway, I'm going today to get the blood work done. And once I get those results back, I will come back on here and let you know what they are. But if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I don't usually do, little vlog kind of entries like this. I do every once in a while if it's about something, like I did, hip replacement when I went through that. But I figured this would be something good, because I have looked on YouTube for, just kind of not doctor takes. I'm not a doctor. I'm not telling you this is what you're going to experience. This is not what you need to do. This is just my experience. But I like to hear from other people in their experiences, So I wanted to come on here and do that. So if there's anybody else out there, that's going through this, they can maybe, get a little insight like I was looking for. But anyway, if you are new to my channel, I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. It does help me out with YouTube. And I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.